Good Sunday morning. This is the Loudoun County weather outlook for the week of August 2nd. And we're going to be looking at a lot of rain this week. That's why I brought this up here first. At least a chance of a lot of rain. The tropical storm off the southeast coast is going to come up and come on shore somewhere in South Carolina, right along the coastal plain. We could see 2, maybe 3 inches of rain is possible. 1 to 3 is kind of what I'm calling for. More as you head eastern part of the area. So we'll have to see how this exactly pans out. I do suspect there are areas that could see more rain. If we get persistent showers or storms in certain areas, you can see a lot more rain. There's a lot of tropical moisture out there, so if something can wring it out of the air, you can be expecting quite a bit. So we'll just have to see how things play out here. As of now, like I said, kind of expecting, I think, 1 to 3 inches, likely in the 2 to 3 inch range in a lot of areas, highest amounts further east. So how do things look over the next couple of days? Today we are now south of this warm front. This warm front kind of hung up here in northern Maryland yesterday, caused a lot of rain. I thought it was going to potentially cause us some rain. We did have some scattered showers. I had about almost a quarter of an inch of rain. So it did drop some heavy rain where it did thunderstorm, or we did get some rain showers. There were areas in Southwest Virginia that saw some funnel clouds and even a tornado touchdown. There was also a supercell, which is a rotating thunderstorm that could have produced a thunderstorm with a tornado that I saw forming in far northwestern areas of our region and moved up into Maryland. And I don't know if it ever touched down, but it definitely was a rotating storm. So this warm front came through, and sure enough, south of it, it is a lot warmer. It is very hot today. Highs will be around 92 degrees. We'll feel closer to 100, but that is the last 90s I have on the map for the week as we get the remnants of the tropical storm moving through here, and we get a lot of moisture, and then on the backside, a cooling trend because the front gets pushed through by that storm exiting to the northeast. We get some of the cooler air off the western side of it as it pulls air in from the north. So anyway, this is today. With the front coming through, we could see a shower or storm from this. We are right here. It's very hard to see on this map, but if I zoom in, there's the outline of the top part of Loudoun. So we're right here in this region. Tomorrow, on Tuesday now, what we're seeing, on Monday, we're seeing now the increase of tropical moisture. So this has a lot of layers of information here. But I think it's important for us to see that there's a front now that's been pushed here. This is tropical moisture being overriding the storm, and so we are now in a risk of potential heavy rain and flooding. As mentioned, 1 to 3, maybe 4 inches of rain possibly out of this in some places. We'll have to see how things pan out. And then as we go again one more day into Tuesday, that heavy rain threat continues. By the end of that day, I do think that the rain will be dying off. But hey, at least overnight Monday into Tuesday, we could see quite a bit of rain. And then we'll go ahead and do a further in the future look here. So here we are at Wednesday. As I mentioned, this front gets pushed through. Here's the leftover of the tropical storm system, and the front gets pushed through. And now you've got a nice flow from the north coming into the region, giving us drier air and a really nice day. Wednesday, Thursday looks amazing. Now, don't expect it to stick too long because, as you can see, this front's starting to push back to the north. And sure enough, by day 5, we have a low pressure system forming here, so chance of some showers and thunderstorms. More humid, but not that bad. But this front is hung up on the East Coast. Then it goes off finally to the east, and maybe we get some drier air here on Sunday of the coming week. So, but Friday and Saturday looks like a chance of some showers and storms. But it's gonna be much nicer. I mean, it's supposed to be only in the 80s all week after today. Actually, only in the upper 70s on Tuesday because of all the rain that we get. So that's a much bigger change than we have seen. Now, just because it's cooler this week doesn't mean we're not going to warm back up. And here we go into the 6 to 10 day period, and you see that we're going to return to a chance of at least above normal temperatures by that point. That front and the cooler high pressure will start to push eastward, and we'll see warmer temperatures. And then in the 8 to 14 day period, you see again a better chance of above normal temperatures as we head into the longer term. So definitely a hotter trend in the future, but not as hot as we were. I think that's probably a good point. Is in general, even though we're warmer than normal now, it won't be quite as bad as it was. Still a chance, at least in the 6 to 10 day period, of some above normal rain. And then in the 8 to 14 day period, a continued chance of some above normal rain. So this is all good news. I mean, we were in quite a drought, but I think between this tropical system and just the way that things are setting up along the East Coast, as we saw those low pressure systems kind of forming along the coast, we could see more rain. So that's all good news. So just to highlight that again, here's what we're looking at for the week. Today it's going to be hot. Highs around 92. We'll feel more like 100. Tomorrow, only a high near 84 compared to what we had before, but a lot more humidity. Chances of showers and even thunderstorms. Some heavy rain is possible, especially later in the day. Heavy rain possible tomorrow night, and lows around 70. Then on Tuesday, continued chances of heavy rain, although towards the end of the day, it will start to taper off. Then on Wednesday and Thursday, much nicer. Look at that, highs in the low 80s. Humidity will also be down. 2 days, you may want to play some golf or get outside, get some yard work done or something, because it's going to be much, much nicer, especially if we dry out Wednesday. So that Thursday would be a really good day. Now we get a little more humidity, and of course that front getting closer to us pushes some showers and potential thunderstorms into the region for both Friday and Saturday, and warming up a little bit as well. Hey, that's been the Loudoun County weather outlook for the week. Hey, I did want to mention and give a call out to the guys at Plum Crazy. They came by yesterday and dealt with some situations I have with my septic system and got it fixed. So we didn't have another flood. I had a flood a couple years ago into the house that was just horrendous. So shout out to those guys. If you have any plumbing needs, super duper nice people. They stuck around and made sure the job was done right. So they're worth a call. If you have any plumbing needs, definitely reach out to them. Have an awesome rest of your Sunday and an excellent week. This has been the Loudoun County weather outlook for August 2nd for the week, and I hope you have a great day.